Welcome to a Peernet tutorial for Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. In this video, I will show you how to use the login console to check the startup of both DCS and the watch folder service, and how to troubleshoot some of the most common conversion issues. To start, we'll open the login console for Document Conversion Service. The watch folder also has its own separate login console, but we'll see that later. To open the login console, go to Start, Document Conversion Service, and select Open DCS Log Viewer. The All Log Entries window displays the individual logging entries as the service is running and processing files. The Watches tab displays the current state of the worker threads, information on documents processed through DCS, and information on each converter that is running. The Viewer tab displays any attached data to the currently selected log entry in the All Log Entries window. Now we will start Document Conversion Service so that we can use the live logging in the Open console to confirm that all requested third-party applications have been initialized correctly when Document Conversion Service starts. Any error messages will appear in the All Log Entries window, and you can see that the status of the initialized third-party applications appear in the Watches tab. As files are converted, you can see the live logging information being added to the screen. In addition to live logging, DCS also keeps a history of the conversions by saving the information to log files on disk. The default settings will save up to 10 files with a maximum file size of 250 megabytes. A new log file is started each time DCS is started, and the oldest log file is deleted. When running continuously, a new log file is started each time the maximum file size is reached on the current log file, and again, the oldest log file is deleted. You can change these settings by opening C Drive, Program Files, Peernet Document Conversion Service, Core, Sylog Config, and changing the value for max parts and max size. Please note, you will need to stop and start DCS if you modify the Sylog Config file. To view any of these saved files in the logging console, go to the Peernet tray icon and select Open Saved Logs folder. Double-click any of these files to view them in the logging console. When looking at a live log or a saved log file, the All Log Entries window lists informational entries as well as errors and warning entries. There's a lot of data entries to look through to find the information you need. You can filter what is shown in the window by doing the following. Click View, Edit View. Under the General tab, click Hide Method, enter Leave. Under the Log Entries tab, click Only Show the Following Log Entries. Then select Add and select the log entries you want to view. In this case, we'll look at error messages. Click OK and OK. Now, only those entries selected will show, making viewing the entries easier. These steps only hide the entries in the console. If you're in live logging, all information is still being recorded. Here are some common issues that you can use the logging console to troubleshoot. Common issue number 1. File not converting. If files are not being converted, a common reason is that the required third-party application is not installed or could not be initialized through DCS. You can find a table of the needed third-party applications and what file formats they convert on the Supported Conversions tab on the DCS webpage. A quick way to check this is to open the logging console and look at the Watches tab to check the started converters. In this logging file, Office was not installed, so next to Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, and all the other Office applications we can use, it states, auto-detecting application, could not start application, application may not be installed. To resolve this, stop DCS, install Office, and then restart DCS. You can then open the logging console again to verify that DCS initialized conversion for all Office applications successfully. The same type of error will occur if Adobe Reader or any other third-party applications are not installed. Common issue number 2. PDF file fails to convert. If it is a PDF file that has failed to convert, there can be a number of reasons for the PDF file to fail. Here are a few examples that are easy to diagnose in the log file. Ghostscript error. If DCS uses Ghostscript 7.07 instead of Adobe Reader to handle PDF files, because Adobe Reader is not installed on your computer, you will see this error in the log file. Ghostscript 7.07 unrecoverable error. Ghostscript 7.07 is the last version that can be distributed for free, but it is very old and cannot handle the newer PDF file formats. To resolve this, stop DCS, install Adobe Reader or update to a newer version of Ghostscript, and restart DCS. Another common issue is when the PDF file is password protected or PDF printing has been disabled. When this is the case, you would see an error entry in the log file like this. PDF file cannot be opened as it is password protected for password protected PDFs. Or, PDF file is not allowed to be printed for PDFs where printing has been disabled within their security settings. Document Conversion Service cannot convert PDFs that are password protected or where printing has been disabled in their security settings. Common issue number 3. Error 112 in log file. If your server is low in hard drive space, then you will see error 112 in the log file, which indicates that there was not enough space on the drive to save the output file. To resolve this issue, please address your disk space limitations. The Watch Folder service also supports live logging as well as its own set of saved log files. To open the logging console for Watch Folder service, go to Start, Document Conversion Service, open Watch Folder Log Viewer. A common error with Watch Folder service is to see permission issues accessing the folders being watched or where the output files are being created. In this case, you would see the message, "You do not have the required permissions for folder" in the All Log Entries window. This error message means that the account Watch Folder runs under does not have the correct permissions to access the folder. This commonly occurs when using network folders. To resolve this issue, change Watch Folder to use a network account that can access the folder or fix the current account to be able to access that location. See our Change the Logon Account video for more information. The intent of this video is to help our Document Conversion Service users to initially troubleshoot errors with conversion themselves. But as always, our support team is always happy to help. If you are still having issues, do not hesitate to send us an email at support@peernet.com. The best way to learn about Document Conversion Service is by trying it out yourself. Download our free trial and follow our Getting Started tutorial series for easy setup. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you are looking for an enterprise solution to streamline your business processes and boost efficiency, our document conversion service is right for you. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.